Hi friends, it's Valreen here. How is it going today? So for me, I am in my laundry room trying to get some work done. Now, in the last video, well, maybe not the last video, but a previous video, I showed you how to calculate how many planks of a certain size of wood you would need to refinish your floor. Well, those planks that I calculated are now going down in the laundry room. When we bought this home, there was a lot of fixing up to be done, and I personally patched up the laundry room because this back of the house here, it was almost like a throwaway when we bought it. And so even where we have now turned into a media room back there, it wasn't heated and it was a mess, right? And so the laundry room too was a mess. Check this out. We had put a platform there for the washing machine because the washing machine needed to be level, but the rest of the place was just wonky. I am now leveling out the space, and check out how much space is left behind under the wood that I am installing. Yeah, that's it. But it's a country farmhouse, and I like it very much. And so we've decided to buy it, fix it up, and live here for I don't know how long. But yeah, this is what I am doing today. So I am basically using stock rough sawn hemlock to do the floor because this is what I used in my greenhouse, and I have no problems with it. When I'm done, I will be staining it, and it is very cost effective, my friends. And so I'm just gonna go ahead and get some work done in my own little way here. Use whatever pieces of lumber I find around to do the framing under the floor, as long as it's stable and strong. The only thing that's going to be seen in the end is the floor at the top. So all I need to do is to make sure I have a firm foundation. So yeah, that's what I'm doing today. Laying flooring in my laundry room. So let's get back to work. So I want to screw this piece of plank down to the floor, and I don't have screws long enough, so I am going to drill before I put the screw in, just to countersink it. I was so excited to get to this point because this that you see here is more than halfway done. And I think I'm liking how it's coming out. And I can't wait to get it all stained tomorrow before I go on to do the next side. This was supposed to be done tomorrow. Here I am after talking with my parents on the phone and promising that I'm gonna go get some rest. Can't wait. So I am
staining the wood. So I'm doing this on a budget, and so I am using what I have. And one of the things I have here is a charcoal stain, which I picked up, by the way, from a Miss Tint. And so it was very economical for me to buy. And not only is it economical, I have it on hand to stain the wood, but it will also go nicely with the orange tones, tints, and shades I have in the space. Plus, the curtain panel I just made is orange. Another plus. The bamboo flooring that runs throughout the space on the lower level does have some shades of black.
Okay, so now that I have finished the first, it's more than half of the flooring. I have now cleared this area here. I have put the washer and the dryer and my water barrel up on the finished flooring, and I am gonna go ahead, clean this section up, and tackle it. By the way, yeah, I'm putting some insulation under the wood that I'm putting down. And guess what? When we came here, I already put a layer of, I think it's a half, either half or 1 inch styrofoam, and then I put plywood, and then I put the vinyl. But it doesn't hurt to have more insulation because we are actually over a crawl space. So I'm gonna go ahead and get started. The hardest thing about doing this is that I have to run back and forth from the accessory building to cut the wood, but gotta do what I gotta do. And I am very happy that I'm closing in on the finish line. I am done. So this is what I've been up to, guys. I have been leveling out my laundry room floor with the lumber that I picked up when I did that calculation video, remember? And check this out. This is where that flat panel will be going to cover up all my paints. But I am over the moon right now that I haven't been in the studio. Not that I'm over the moon that I haven't been in the studio to do any lessons, but it's a part of Valerie and Vernon home, right? Sharing with you things that I do around my home, and cost-effective things at that. Because what I have used for my floor right here is stock rough sawn hemlock lumber. Now, I have a country home and I have a country laundry room. I want to stay practical. I don't want to go beyond and above my budget. And so I chose something that is cost effective and will look good in the end, because most of it will be covered anyways. But yeah, I am very, very happy that it's done. This side I did previously, and I'll show you a little of what went on to get to this point. Right here, I had to cut these pieces out because we do have a trap door under there that gets us into the cellar if we need to. And so, yeah, it was quite hectic getting all that done, but it's done. I will be putting the stain on later, hopefully tonight, and so that I can finish bringing everything in tomorrow and show you guys the changes I've made. It's a world of difference because this floor was very, very unlevel. And so I am happy I was able to level it out. So looking forward to showing you guys the space with everything in. You have a lovely day now, and I'll see you soon. Thanks so much for watching the videos, guys. Thanks for your subscription, your likes, your comments. I look forward to your comments all the time. Until then, sending you lots of love and appreciation. I'll see you in the next one.